So I'm going to do a review of Black Rifle Coffee Company Espresso with Cream. So it's got 200 milligrams of caffeine in it. It's got good source of protein, 100% coffee. 200 milligrams of caffeine. America's Coffee, it says. So I went to my local Valero yesterday, and the owner of the store said that they're supposed to be getting a whole entire like shelf of Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee, and he said that it would be cool if they start selling like the apparel and the hats and stuff. That'd be pretty cool too. But I don't know. They probably won't. But that'd be pretty cool if they start doing that, because I want to get another hat from them. But because they also, Black Rifle Coffee Company also sells apparel and stuff. I think you've probably seen my hat before that says Black Rifle Coffee Company on it. So I wore it last year. I still got it. It's over there. Let's go get it. Alright, we'll put this hat on so I can do a review. If you're sensitive to caffeine, I wouldn't recommend this because it's got a lot of caffeine in it, but I'm not sensitive to caffeine, so I can drink this. This wouldn't be a coffee I would drink every day because it's has way too much caffeine in it. But every so often, I'm going to drink this because it's veteran and owned. It's pretty good. It's got, it doesn't got like, it doesn't got like a sweet taste like what Starbucks or Dunkin' has, but it's, it's got a, it's got a coffee taste. It doesn't have like a sweet taste to it. It's not too sweet. It's a strong coffee, but it's not like it's that strong, like it doesn't taste good. It tastes pretty good. So if I find other flavors, I'll do reviews of them. But I don't know. The guy said that they're supposed to be getting like a whole entire shelf in the store or something. So I'll keep looking there. Um, like I said, I'm not gonna drink this every day. It's not gonna be a. I did a review yesterday of it and did a review today, so it's something that I wouldn't drink every day because it's got way too much caffeine in it. But it's something that I would review, maybe every other week or something, that I would do a review of or something. So I would give this a 100 out of 100, like I did yesterday. So if you like coffee, you like the strong coffee, I would recommend this. Also, it's veteran owned as well, so it helps out the veterans and troops. So I'm going to give this 100 out of 100. So peace.